Good evening, it's me Rame. I just bought a new microphone with a gimbal. Yes, you heard me right. Just let me get up from the MTR. Okay, here we go. I was looking for a budget microphone with a budget ultra wide gimbal to complement my Osmo Pocket, and then let me show you. Okay, here it is, as you can see. Let me just go on a side. Why I didn't want the Pocket 2 to watch the DJI Pocket 2, because I already have the Pocket 1 and I love the video quality. But I was looking for something ultra wide better than the GoPro, so I bought the Fimi Palm. As you can see, it's already dark out here. Yeah, Fimi Palm, I bought it for around 100 bucks, and for 250 bucks I bought the DAT V3 Pro, as you can see. Yeah, this is the microphone which I bought it. It seems quite nice. I'll be making more videos about it, and the real reason I didn't spend like more money is I really don't want to spend in this pandemic. To make good quality videos, to become a filmmaker, you need to learn how to get things done on a budget. Something on a budget. Yes, I can buy the latest Pocket 2, I can buy the latest full frame camera, but do it master my craft? No, I really have to master my craft using the budget things out there. That is the reason I bought it. Also, let me know, did you upgrade to Osmo Pocket 2? Yeah, I know they dropped the name Pocket, so the Osmo. Let me just take out the marks, because right now I'm outside, like wearing the marks. It's very hard to breathe, but I'm going to take a bicycle, go to my work right now. Due to that, I always take out my marks. Let me know, do you prefer the Osmo Pocket 1 or Osmo Pocket 2 video quality? Again, I know this is not a comparison, I didn't own the Pocket 2, but what I look on the YouTube, I prefer the Pocket 1 quality, especially in low light. Especially right now, low light, everything look more natural. It do not look that everything look artificial, overblown at my back. It look more natural. Sometimes the darker image is better. Okay, I need to cross the road. I need to be very careful here out. So you should let me know how is the video quality. And I was looking to buy the Rode NTG, but I got a good deal on the DAT. I got it for 250. The good thing is that it's a smart microphone. It have a stepless preamp built-in. Okay, let's cross the road. We need to be careful. Okay, when crossing the road, where is my bicycle? There's so many vehicles out here. Just want to be careful. Here is my bicycle. Yeah, this is my bicycle. So I'm going to go to work right now. I just have to say bye, because now I have to go to work. It was me, Ramdev. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out outjournal.com, an online travel magazine. See you in another video.